It's the Big Sam Studio.
Welcome back to the studio. I'm Big Sam, your host, the artist. So today we're working on a triptych painting. That's 3 different paintings. They're hung together, but they're separately hung. These are 1 by 4 feet. That verticality aspect, I really love that canvas size because also of my height, my 7 foot tall height. It kind of replicates the size of my body. And we're going to start on these. We're doing a big giraffe, which is my spirit animal, and we're going to throw all the energy into this and start this painting. So here we go at the Big Sam Studio. Priming the back of the boards can also be helpful, especially for thinner wood. It won't create it from curving. You can see a curve here because there's more prime on this side than there is on this side, so it's curving a little bit. But if you prime both sides, it'll stay straight. Now we watch paint dry. No, just kidding. Now we let them dry. Alright, now we have the background going. We can start on the subject now and start to form the painting together. Alrighty, I'm loving how this one is turning out. The colors are awesome. I love how the warm is kind of translating over to the cold, and I'm trying to allow the colors to come through a little bit, but also render out or kind of construct the fur of the giraffe. So we're gonna see how this keeps going. I'm gonna keep working on this and building up these tones of the giraffe. There's probably 2 or 3 layers on here already. I'm loving how this painting is coming along. And now we're going to get into some of the finer details and try and polish off the painting. Cool, so we're getting all the little textures and things that make the piece really come together. I think I'm gonna need some more of those, more of these warm colors. The whole face of the giraffe right now is very cold. See, we have this warm side with the oranges and reds, and the cold side with the blue. I use purple and blue to form the shapes of the shadows of the darker side, and then I want to pull the warm into the giraffe, like almost as if you imagine this as the sun that's coming down and beaming onto the head of the giraffe. So we're gonna bring more of those yellows back up. Watch how magical this white is. I think the last thing it needs is a shadow that's coming off of the giraffe. and then we will varnish it and be done. Alright, just a little back shadow. Pull it up off the background a little bit. Thanks so much for stopping in. That's all I got for today. I love how this giraffe came out. You know, probably every 6 months as an artist you get these really like breakthrough paintings where you really feel like you've gained skill and like insight in your paintings. Some of the things that I really love most about this painting are the textures that I was able to get inside of the giraffe's head, kind of representing that fur of the giraffe. I was also really playing with my color theory techniques and using that warm and cold side to kind of contrast the whole painting. I was also interested in opacity and how the colors interact together using layering techniques. So you can see like in the shadows, the oranges come through. I also wanted to utilize the background within the giraffe itself, so you can see here and also up like by the eye and other places where the background seeps through to the giraffe. So I'm really proud of this one. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thanks for stopping in. Leave a comment if you enjoyed and make sure you subscribe for the next ones. Thanks so much to the Big Sam Studio.